my channel. So today we're gonna be talking about these lovely braids, honey. So I sat there so long in the chair. I'm lying. This is a wig. This is a wig. This is a wig. Look how natural it looks, and this hair is so long, y'all. This is 30 inches, 30 inches. I can't believe it either, because y'all know I'm not big on like long hair like that. I am definitely not in it, honey. Not for the win, okay? But I will say this is so cute, and I am obsessed with it. The braids are so lightweight. They're really skinny. They're the small ones, so you don't gotta worry about it being like super heavy. That's another thing I don't like about with like long hair. It's always really heavy, and this damn braid don't wanna move. Yes, honey, so if you're interested in how I put this wig together, make sure you stay tuned. I have all the details for you in the next clip. I love you so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, so today we have, so this company is on Amazon, and they're called Youthfee, and I will put that below because y'all know how I pronounce shit be weird. But anyway, this is a braided wig, okay? I'm so excited. So honestly, I've already cut the lace because I wanted to try this on just to see how it's looking. So this has baby hair in it. I don't know if you can see that, but it already comes with baby hair. Look at that. What? It's so cute. I will provide a picture so y'all can see what it's supposed to look like as well. So in the inside, it has an adjustable strap, which is so dope. It has two comb, well, sorry, not two. It's just one comb right here at the top, and then it's a comb, of course, in the back. Then it has two adjustable straps, and I hope you guys can see that. But yes, honey, so it's 13 by 7 up here. So you're going to get it going all the way around. We're going to go ahead and try it on and see. But this is going to be another quickie, y'all. You want to just pop something. Look how, first of all, let's just talk about this length. Look how long this is. Wow. Let me see how long it is. I didn't even, okay. So it is 30 inches. Oh my God, and it feels very lightweight, so that's good. Oh my God, 30 inches, y'all. Look at that. Wow. Box braids, okay. So let's try it on and see. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm excited because you know I love something quick, fast, and simple, baby. Let's do it. Let's see. Oh, it also has that adjustable strap in the back. I probably should have put that on first, but we just trying it on real quick, so it's okay. Okay. And like I said, I already cut the lace. I did that before I even cut the camera on because that's just easy. Y'all should know. If y'all done watched 1,000,000 of my videos by now, y'all know how to cut the lace, okay? Ooh, this is cute. Okay. And we haven't even like shaped it to our head or anything. Let's stand up and see how long it is. Oh my God, y'all. Whoa. Okay. Come on, Lynn. Come on. Yes. All right. Okay. Y'all know I'm kind of iffy about length too, but I like it. I have to say I like it. And look at this. Like I literally just set it on my head, and it looks so good already. So this is another wig. You ain't got to do too much, y'all. I'm super excited. So again, like I told you, you do have the adjustable strap in the back, so you can definitely use that. You have combs in the back, and you have combs up here, so it's not going, oh, it is two combs. I knew it was two combs. So it's two combs here. So it's not going anywhere once you get it on your head. Now, because it has a lace in the front, I am going to go ahead and like spray my gots to be on there so it can lay down a little better. But you don't have to do all that. Y'all can see when I put it on, it was fine. So you don't have to do all this, but I am just to give it more of a flat, ooh. Ooh, ah! Not in my eyebrow, I just did. Hey y'all, I couldn't find my little black band, so I just put this on, which is so freaking ghetto. It did come with baby hairs, as I told y'all, so I'm gonna try to like shave them off a little bit. I don't really care for the baby hair look. If you like it, I mean, hey baby, I might leave them a little bit, but not like, these are heavy baby hairs, and I ain't with it. I cannot find my little thing. I can't find none of my stuff lately. But anyway, it's looking good though. It's looking so good. I'm so proud of it. Ooh, come on now, get it together. And these are braids, you know what I'm saying? So this is like super easy to do. It's my damn headband. I'm gonna have to just take it off. Okay, nice. Yes, honey, nice. This is so cute. Now with this baby hair, like I said, it's up to you if you want to keep it. I probably am not going to keep it. Okay, so this side didn't get to lay down good, but it's all right.
So cute. It's up to you how you want to wear it. You want to wear it down, you want to wear it up. It's completely up to you. I'm going to probably wear mine down. Yes, honey. This is so cute. Right there.
Ain't nobody tell you that you didn't sit there and get your hair braided all that time. You hear me? This is so freaking cute, y'all. So guys, if you like this look and you're interested in this wig, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know that you got you one. And I will have all the links in the description box below if you're interested in this wig, y'all. It is so cute. I'm gonna stand up so you can see the length. Yes, and I know some of my ladies love length when it comes to them braids. So you have it here with 30 inches. 30 inches. Okay. Y'all, go get you one. Comment below and let me know if you tried it. Love you. Talk to you later. Bye.